Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can allocate payment on account to a particular sales invoice on accounting. To be able to do so, we need to go to customer account where we can see this payment on account transaction. So in my case, I have new limited. When you click on transactions, you'll be able to see transactions which haven't been allocated to a particular invoice. If you are not able to click on more, which would give an option to connect, click on show. And from here, click on three dots and click on connect. From here, click on add an invoice and select an invoice to which this particular payment on account relates to. And difference will be 500, which is fine, but add an amount for which we have received or we want to allocate to this invoice. And there is no difference, and we are able to save this transaction now. Okay. So now when I go to my invoices, and I click on my 750 invoice, this payment have been allocated and marked as 250 paid, and still 500 is outstanding to be paid. In this episode, I showed you how you can allocate payment on account or connect payment on account to a particular invoice on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as this accounting software review. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.